see how you none. Say them a killer, but me no know what them done. First time me touch them, me see the whole of them run. Had them bitch in the room, me make the whole of them cuss. Me 40 with chrome just for a yes man.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Well, me I talk about Prince Swanny, him latest video where him drop, and I'm listening to it, and I actually like it. Some of his words is a little bit fumbly, but I do like it. Now the video is called Nightmare, but it is actually contrary to a nightmare because there is nothing dark about this video, and I think Prince Swanny meant to send this signal. Now, pretty much he must say the same thing. Him say, yo, him on a bad man. When him come enough of them run, he's been chilling, doing his thing. Enough money him have. Him dep on guard. Him nah run. He's here to stay. And he's minding his business. That's what Prince Swanny is saying. Now, I saw some little vloggers out there saying this is what Prince Swanny dropped for Black Rhino. I don't think him dropped this for Black Rhino. I think him dropped this for everybody. To make them know, say, yo, Prince Swanny is here, and Prince Swanny is here to stay. You see what I'm saying? Like me say, I listen it. It's easy listening. It's gangster, but it's not like Baghdad. Cause Baghdad, maybe that him should have called Nightmare, which Baghdad is a damn nightmare if you're from that place anyways. But yeah, like some vloggers was saying this is an answer back. I don't think so. I think this is Prince Swanny showing that, listen, him have him gun, him have him money, him not care, him not pre nobody. If them pre him, him a pre them back, and him just in him space. And pretty much whoever was involved with Prince Swanny, like Prezi or whoever, he's sending that message that, listen, I'm doing this on my own, and I'm here to stay. And that's how I look at this video. I actually like this video, and I like this song, what Prince Swanny do. And only thing we can tell him, say, stay out of trouble, my youth. Watch who you have around you. And I've said it before, you still can give Prezi him little ratings. You understand? It's not gonna make you less of a man. More say stop the killing, but so much man dead already and so much anger. Nobody now gonna listen to Countryman. So the only thing we can say, yo, my youth, I like the song, protect yourself, do what you have to do, you understand, and that's it. So yeah, I like this song, and I don't think it was geared to Black Rhino. I think it was geared to people in general who want feel like Prince Swanny them can come and step to the man, and the man and make it know, say, listen, he's not playing, straight up. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out. Peace.